Welcome to the 4th of July event. Hello? I said welcome. Can anyone hear me? Can you believe these people? Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today we will show you how to build Jim Carrey, aka The Mask. The most important thing you're going to need for him is the head of the Mighty Micro's Green Goblin. Next, get him the torso of Bilbo Baggins. As for the legs, you can just use plain red legs. Unless you happen to have a pair of spring legs from the basketball sets that came out back in 2000. Now for my favorite part of these tutorials, accessories. You could give him a hot dog piece to represent a balloon. Or you could give him a mallet that he can use to smash his clock. You could also give him his communication horn. Or his personal favorite, a Tommy gun! That concludes this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe because tomorrow he will be hosting our 4th of July special.